I wanted to talk about this docking hub from Selore. I think that's how you pronounce it. I did research on these hubs on Amazon. Didn't want to spend a whole lot of money. I think it's a great value. Easy to use. You just plug into the Thunderbolt port right here, and you plug everything else into the hub there. So I've got both monitors, which are 27-inch Samsung monitors, plugged in. Great for productivity for a home office here. Loving that. Got lots of USB and other imports or other ports on the hub itself, and I think definitely thumbs up. So if you need something like this, definitely check this one out. Hope that helps.
Does that do?